Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vin Exclusive. Today is December 24 and I'm here in front of you to unbox my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max White Titanium 256GB. Anyway, short story lang. Before I bought this iPhone, I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB Pacific Blue. And pinurchase ko yun siguro 2 years na ang nakalipas. Dumating ang 13 and 14 series, hindi ako nag-update. Before we unbox this one, so we have 256 gig. So yun yung pinaka-lowest na storage or gig ni iPhone 15 Pro Max series. And then sumunod doon is 512 gig, then 1 terabyte. So yun yung umaabot ng 100,000 plus. Would like to shout out si DIM or Dim Gadget Philippines. They are located at the second floor of Green Hill Shopping Center, San Juan City, Manila. And, may mga freebies na tayong kasama doon, kagaya nito. So we have here the clear case magnetic battery pack, 20 watts power adapter. And syempre, available colors natin for iPhone 15 Pro Max is the white titanium, natural titanium, blue titanium, and then the black titanium. So I chose white titanium kasi yung sasakyan ko is color white. So para hindi naman tayo masyadong nami-misalign sa mga kulay ng mga bagay-bagay, so I chose color white. So I think okay na okay to, and i-unbox na natin. Itong iPhone 15 Pro Max is 19 grams lighter versus the previous model of the iPhones because this one has the titanium steel. Kumpara mo naman sa mga 14 series and below, yun naman yung mga stainless steel. And 48 megapixels na rin yung camera nito. Sobrang detailed talaga pag kumuha ka ng video, photo, or picture. Meron na rin siyang cinematic function. And maganda rin tong device na to for mobile gaming. May mga cons or mga negative feedback din akong nakikita, like nag-iinit, pero on my end, hindi ko pa talaga siya totally masasabi dahil purely sealed pa siya kung makikita nyo. Ayan. And disclaimer lang, hindi naman ako ganun ka-techy para mag-review nito. It's just that gusto ko lang i-document itong pag-unbox natin ng iPhone 15 Pro Max. And unsealed na natin siya. So ngayon nga pala, yung mga iPhone models, no, yung mga nilalabas nila is hindi na sila yung sealed. Pag sinabing sealed, naka-plastic cover or naka-plastic wrap. Right now, hindi na. So mga konting paper na lang. Yung unboxing time. Ayan, so once again, this is a white titanium. Now, I noticed na napakalaki talaga ng difference nito versus sa ginagamit kong iPhone 12 Pro Max. Sa camera pa lang, sobrang laki ng lens niya. And again, this is 48 megapixels. I have pala dito yung 12 Pro Max na gold naman to. Naman sa gilid niya, sobrang pag pinagpawisan ka ng kamay or let's say pasmado, pag nilagay mo sa gilid, bakat talaga, fingerprints, or makikita mo talaga na basa siya. Sa camera, makikita nyo pa lang talaga na mas malaki talaga si 15 versus the 12. So since this is titanium steel, hindi siya prone sa mga fingerprints or lalo na nakatulad ko na pasmado. And we still have the same function for the volume up and down. Different function like for camera, for shutter, mga shortcut keys. So papakita ko na lang sa inyo later on. And mas malaki na rin yung logo ni Apple dito sa likod. Sa box naman, so we have here the USB-C charging cable. This one is very different kasi yung mga previous is napaka-smooth. This one is parang medyo rough. So mayroon siyang parang mga scratches sa gilid. So, hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan. And then, again, this is USB-C type. And then, we have here the box. This is just a small box wherein you can see the ejector pin, Apple sticker, manual. So, yun lang yung laman niya. And technically, talagang separate. Bibili ka ng mga power adapter. Set aside muna natin si box. So then, yaw. Focus tayo mga ka-Phoenix. By the way, I'm currently using my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Partner ko na talaga yan sa mga video na ginagawa ko. Yo, hello, nakikita nyo ba? Yan. English. Yan. Philippines. Position your face. Start. Have the terms and conditions. Click agree. Meron naman akong Apple ID, so hindi naman ako ganung nahirapan. It's just that matagalan talagang mag-setup. So ito pala yun guys, yung action button. We have different choices kung ano yung gusto nyo magiging function nito. Customize, in silent mode, focus, flashlight, voice, accessibility, no action at all. Welcome to iPhone. Testing lang natin yung camera, quick. Check na natin si 0.5. Yung. And then we have video photo, cinematic, slow-mo, time-lapse. Yung cinematic is yung bago yata nila to no? So, mas nagiging detailed at more on an action cam na rin siguro yung labas. So yun lang, I think. So sobrang quick lang ng unboxing review natin itong iPhone 15 Pro Max. And again, thank you so much for always watching my videos here on YouTube. And once again, please don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Vindevera920. And once again, thank you so much, DIM or DIM Gadget PH. I will be providing their contact details sa comment section below para kung interested kayo. Sobrang legit nila. So, yun lang guys, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Have a great day. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye!